Hi guys, welcome to techsunjay YouTube channels. Today you will know how to show a recent tab in Chrome browser. Okay, then let's begin. First of all, open our Chrome browser and go to three dot option, and a new dialog box is open, and you will see first option new tab, and second, third history, fourth is download, fifth is book, and you will see a 1 2 3 4 5 6 sixth number option, that is recent tab. If you click on it, whatever you will show in recent tab, you will see your recent history. Okay, this is your recent tab features. Okay, thank you.